everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to decorate your house Victorian and Marie Antoinette inspired. So if you're interested and want to decorate on a budget and for cheap, then just keep on watching. So the first idea that I have is this painting. It's not a painting. I don't know why I'm saying that. It is a frame that I painted. It was so ugly in the beginning and I gave it a girly makeover. Why not? So I love how this came out, except right here I totally messed up. But you know what? I don't really care. I think I'm just gonna hot glue a bow here or something. But I really love how this came out. It's literally just a picture frame. Just like find really unique picture frames like this. If you can't find one, then you could possibly make one out of cardboard and hot glue. So, and definitely paint and stuff, but I just really love how this came out, and I just basically printed out Marie Antoinette pictures. I actually have a DIY project in a video on this, so if you're interested, I will leave it down below for you guys to check that out. Next up is another DIY project that I've recently made, and it just says let them eat cake, and this is a picnic basket. I just spray painted it white. It was an ugly color before. If you want to see the transformation, it's also included in that video. I have linked down below. So yeah, this is really cute and such a great decorating piece for cheap. Also included in the video, I have linked, I'm literally like self-promoting myself. But anyways, I have this really adorable, fancy Marie Antoinette Victorian fan. I don't know how many words I can fit into one sentence to describe this. It's just so gorgeous and I love how this came out. It's just a fan and it has like a little lace thing so you can hang it on the wall. You can do whatever you want with this. It's just so cute. And also, just to add in, this fan is from the Dollar Tree, so it's super inexpensive to make. So next up, I have this cake box. I actually found this at Savers a while ago. It's just super cute. It looks like somebody actually made it. But then again, I think there was a price tag on the bottom. Oh, it says $8.98 or something like that, and like a price tag. So someone definitely made this, but it's just super cute, and I just couldn't believe that this was before my eyes and I was about to buy this, and it was so inexpensive too. Like, it's just so cute for photo purposes. Like, I love to take pictures, and this totally reminded me of Marie Antoinette. I will never get rid of this thing. But if you can't find something like this, then I would definitely recommend getting like a small hat box at the thrift store or at your local craft store, and just literally using, what's it called, that stuff at the Dollar Tree? It's like spackling. You mix spackling with paint and literally you can make this yourself and just like put it in a piping bag. You could make this really quick and easy and inexpensive. So next up, I have this little can container thing that I made. You could totally paint the inside of this. It was like a vegetable can, but I didn't really feel like painting the inside, so it's not that cute right there. But you could put like flowers in here, you could put your makeup brushes, you can put whatever image you want on the front. I literally just Mod Podged this onto like a painted pink can that I was going to throw away to begin with, and you have yourself a new container. And you can do this with craft supplies as well. I don't know, I think it's a really cute idea, and like, it doesn't have to be perfect because it's like literally shabby chic, like amazing. So the next idea that I have for you guys is this bowl. So I got this bowl at the thrift store and it was $2.99, so inexpensive. I think it was, yeah, it was made in Germany. It's just super Victorian and shabby chic, and I don't own anything this color, so I really like this, and I store my clothespins in here for like projects, just for now. I don't really know what I'm gonna put in here. And then I have like sticky notes and just stuff that I would keep normally on the desk. So the next thing that I have for you guys is this cake, and not only is it the cake, I made this canvas. This is from the Dollar Tree, the little canvas, and it says let them eat cake. Well, it doesn't say let them eat cake, it says let them eat. and then I have the cake here, so it just completes it. It's just really cute, and you could just rest this against the wall. This ornament is from Walmart, but you could totally make it yourself. Just be creative, and I put little feathers on it. And this is like a little like vase thing that I got from Savers. I'm like so congested right now, so it's like really hard to make this video, but bear with me because we're gonna do it. But yeah, I used a stencil for this. I'm not really the best, but I kind of like how it came out because it looks like it's imperfect and it looks like totally shabby chic. And next up, I should have included this in the beginning because this is just super gorgeous, and it's actually part of the DIY video that I had mentioned earlier. But anyways, I have this DIY Marie Antoinette jewelry box. This is the top of it. It's super cute. I love how this came out. It just says cake with like, they have like stickers that I got from Michael's, but I believe they are selling gold stickers at the Dollar Tree now, but I just haven't found them yet. But I really love this. I did have like pearls on here, but I totally like, I went like this and it like fell off like right away. So it wasn't sticking very well. But then the bottom of this, I got this lace trim from AliExpress. I love this stuff, this lace trim so much because it's just so Marie Antoinette, and it completes this jewelry box. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below what idea was your favorite and what idea you would recreate. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual. And I will see you guys in my next lovely video.